Welcome friends. In today's tutorial I will tell you how can you set up Visual Studio Code editor for React Native. As we all know, the Visual Studio Code is one of the best code editors available in the market, and it is freely available for both professional and personal use. So you can simply download it from its official website and use it for development purpose. After done downloading, I am going to tell you how can you install a simple plugin, which is a JavaScript plugin, or you can say a React Native plugin, which is very helpful for developing React Native application. When you start coding, it will show you code suggestion, which is very helpful for you. So without wasting time, let's get started. First you have to download the Visual Studio Code. Open the google.com. Now in Google search bar, search for Visual Studio Code. Click on the first website. Now click on the download for Windows stable build. As you can see, it is showing a message, thanks for downloading VS Code for Windows. I have already downloaded the Visual Studio Code, so I simply close the window and go to the downloaded folder. Here is my Visual Studio Code. I simply double click on it to start installing. Click on the I accept the agreement. Click on next. Again click on next. Again click on next. Simply click on the create a desktop icon. Click on next. Click on install button, and you will see it is start installing in your computer. It will take about a few seconds to install. Here you go guys. Now the VS Code is successfully installed on your computer. Click on the launch Visual Studio Code checkbox and click on finish button. Now you will see the Visual Studio Code is automatically started. Here is the Visual Studio Code icon, which is appear on my desktop screen. Now what we have to do next is install the React Native plugin, which is very helpful for you guys, because using that particular plugin we can easily code and the suggestions will automatically appear on the screen, which is very helpful for beginners. So simply click on view, command panel. Here you have to search install extension. When you start typing install, you will see extension, install extensions below. Simply click on it. Now here is the Visual Studio Code marketplace. What you have to do next is search for React Native and simply press enter, and you will see first option is React Native tools, which is very important for us. Simply click on the install button. I have already installed the React Native tools before, so there is no need for me to install it again. You have to click on the install button. It will take a few seconds to install. Now after done installing React Native tools, what we have to do is install ES7 React Redux GraphQL, the second option available in the search area, and you have to install it. After done installing that both plugins, close your Visual Studio Code. Now I am going to open a React Native file to show you how this works. I'm click on Visual Studio Code, again start it, click on file, open file, and here is my app.js file in my React Native project. Now you can see it has automatically highlighted the area and automatically set all the syntax in React Native, which is based on JavaScript. Now guys, this is the basic tutorial to how to use Visual Studio Code with React Native. You can now start coding with Visual Studio Code, and it will show you all the suggestion. For example, now I press a comma and type BUTT, and here you can see the button component name will automatically appear. Now I simply again press the comma and type scroll view, SCROLL, and you can see it is showing me all the suggestions, which is very useful for beginners developers. Thanks for watching my video guys. If you like my video, please do subscribe my channel and like my video and share it with your friends. Thank you.